In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pottery in Infinite Craft. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your device. You can do this both on the mobile version of the app and the browser version of the application. Once you have opened Infinite Craft, go ahead and drag the earth element on your canvas and combine it with the wind element from your canvas. So go ahead and combine the earth and wind to create the dust element. After that, go ahead and drag the water element on your canvas and combine it with another water element to create a lake. After that, go ahead and combine the lake and dust to create a mud. Now, after you create the mud, go ahead and drag the earth, combine it with the mud to create a clay. After that, drag the earth again and combine it with the clay to create a pottery. And that is how you can simply create a pottery on Infinite Craft. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you in the next video.